Hey, hello YouTube, I'm Kam from Media, and in this video we're gonna talk about analog project, the analog clock. So let's start without wasting any time. This is the analog clock project that I have created. It is of 8 KB of batch project, and it uses these batch plugins: circle function, fn.dll, line function, and bed box. So this pixel font we don't need, so I'm going to delete it. And now just have a look at the output on the CMD console. So this is the second hand. The hand of the clock denotes seconds, and this is showing us 44 minutes and 6 hours. So it is 6 o'clock, 6:44, and these are the seconds going. So this is the real-time update of the analog clock. You can also compare it with the Windows clock. So we're going to look at here, and as it reaches 8, it reaches 40 seconds. So it is quite accurate project without any delay. So all these colors and beautiful output on the CMD console is due to the batch plugin. So that's why the batch product is so much fast. And now you can see that as it passes the 12, that minute hand got updated, and after minute hand will pass through 12, the hour hand will get updated. So this is all because of the fine and clean algorithm of the project. So let's talk about how the clock works. So I'm gonna open it inside Sublime Text Editor, so we can talk about it easily. So before talking about the original code, let me talk about the extra code, that extra settings that I have created for this project to be working. So these are the numericals, these are the code for the numbers that I have taken from the typography function, the pixel font. That's why the pixel.fo file was there. So I have fetched out this code for the numbers, and that's how I am displaying the numbers on the console easily, because this is 1 2 3 4 5. Otherwise setting up these things will take ages. So I have used predefined settings that I have created in other batch projects. That's why this project has taken only 1 week of my time. And these all for the setting of the numbers on the CMD console, that how they will display. And the coordinates position is all static, so starting and ending of the each line is fixed. As you can see, it is every line is starting from the center. The circle is starting from the center here. This center is also center of the CMD console, that the console width is 120 character and height is 80 characters. So the center is at 40, is at 60, 40, and every line is starting from the center and ending at the predefined position. The predefined position is here that we have defined. We can change these positions as according to our need, but all these are predefined settings for the proper functioning of this analog clock. And now let's talk about the real code. So all these things you will know if you are not a newbie or a beginner. So this is the title command, changing the title, clearing the screen, enabling the DEC condition, delayed expansion variable. So this is because we need for loop, and we need to deal with the variables inside the for loop. So we are using set local enable delayed expansion. And here pure mathematics, Here we have setting up the console screen and the variables. After this loop, we are dealing with pure mathematics. You just need to think and code. Take your copy and pen, start thinking about how time works, how the clock works, the logic. You will create algorithms automatically. I have not taken any reference or any code from any other source, just created all these algorithms by my own, as I have created all the other batch plugins by my own. So you can also create these all things, just need to think a little deeper. Hour hands, you just need to specify the hour. These extra variable that I am using, as I am initializing here, is because of that extra formatting of the code. As you have seen, it is 6, but it is not, the hour hand should not be at 6 because it should be between 6 to 7. So because of this extra thinking or extra formatting, because Windows is also using this formatted, otherwise we can also put the hour hand at 6, but it, because of the mechanical things, the hour hand also got displaced slowly. That's why for this thing to make real, we are here dividing it by 12, so it will give us the position between 6 to 7. So if it is 50 minutes, so 50 by 12 will give us, I'm not strong at math, so 50 by 12 will give us 4.166. so it will give us the position for the 4 minutes, approximate 4 minutes. So the hour hand is at 4-minute position. When it will become 60, so it will go to 7, and vice versa. So that's how the clock is working. Everything else is just pure mathematics and setting up some variables according to the settings we have created, these settings. So here I am not using the CLS because I am using a little advanced technique to refresh the console by, I'm just simply, if you will mark the output here and copy it and open the new notepad file, right click, let me make it full screen first, and right click and paste here. As you will see here, multiple lines are there, but on the CMD console we are only seeing 3 lines. This is because all the other lines are being hidden with that of the same color as background. Otherwise, when I will use CLS, it is making the clock very vulnerable because it is refreshing and again and again. But in this method, I just have to only refresh the hands of the clock and it is working fine. So I hope you have understood the working of the clock, analog clock, and you can download this project from the description, link in the description, and please subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt or you think that the project is good, please give the video a thumbs up and feel free to comment any good or bad, whatever you think about this project, please comment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. It's going again and again. Bye bye.